Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Allur Avni project which is located in Kada Agrahara, Kamsandra, Bangalore. And this project is developed by Allur Ventures. Today we'll be doing the project overview in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. Now let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I am standing just in front of the marketing office of the project. So this is the marketing office where you'll be getting all the details of the project and about the land parcel starts from here. So here you can enter towards your land parcel. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So we are here at the actual land parcel. This is phase 1 of 15.6 acres consisting of 138 villas, 9 villas per acre. Additionally, each villas will be having 2 floors. Now let's talk about the location part. So this project is located in Kada Agrahara Road in Kamsandra, Bangalore. So let me show you that this is the Kada Agrahara Road and this road will take you towards Bidrahalli. Now let's talk about the further connectivity and location of the project. Bidrahalli Road is 1.9 kilometers away from the project. East Point Hospital is 3.3 kilometers away. East Point College of Engineering and Technology is 4.3 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities parts, this project provides you luxurious amenities like a farm court, outdoor music garden with sand volleyball, swing park, kids play area, outdoor gymnasium, pets park and many more. Now let's discuss the super built up area. So this project has 4 BHK premium villas. So here the sizes of 4 BHK premium villas starting from 3,550 to 5,200 square feet super built up area. Now let's talk about the booking process. So the project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the sample villa also. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. Now this was the project overview of the residential villa project Allur Avni, which is located in Kada Agrahara, Kamsandra, Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.